Hi, I'm Tiam and I'm a knit and crochet designer. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple techniques to cast on. Let's grab some yarn and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple techniques to cast on your knitting. First, we'll do the backwards loop. Start by making a slip knot by making a loop with your thumb, pulling the yarn through the loop to make a knot, and then insert your needle into the loop and pull gently to tighten it a bit, not too much. Then, make a loop with the yarn and insert the needle into the loop from back to front. Keep doing this until you have all the stitches you need. Next, we'll do another beginner technique for casting on, the cable cast on. This requires 2 knitting needles. First, create a slip knot by making a loop with your thumb, pulling the yarn through the loop to make a knot. Then insert your needle and pull gently to tighten it a bit. Then grab the other needle and insert this into the slip knot. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, pull through and transfer the stitch from the right needle to the left needle. Don't pull too tightly. For the next stitch, insert the needle between the stitches on the left needle and wrap the yarn around the right needle and pull through to make a stitch, and transfer the stitch onto the needle. Now we will learn a third cast-on technique, the crochet cast-on. For this, you will need a crochet hook and a knitting needle. Start by making a slip knot and insert the hook into the slip knot. Hold the yarn behind the needle in your left hand and take the hook over the needle, scoop up some yarn and pull it through the stitch on the hook. Take the yarn behind the needle and do this again to make another stitch. Scoop up some yarn with your hook and pull it through the stitch. Take the yarn behind the needle and repeat. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. For more knitting inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.